Beautiful Sunday afternoon here in Southall, Sniper's Garage. Got Subaru in some engine work, Impreza WRX. Got 118D, but time chain issue. Gonna go help Sniper out as well right now. What we got going on? Got some fuel line issues in the team.
Yeah, but does it? See, look at the two hoses.
Oh, so that got an extension piece on it.
Yeah. So does it go?
Let's try it the other way around, doesn't it? Do you remember which way was which?
Yeah. So we're going with that goes with the blue hose, yeah.
Just clipping the fuse box back in, ready to start up in a minute.
There's actually fuses in there.
Oh, I knew that. First start straight away. No warning meshes on the dash. What? Straight away had a crank sensor issue, which I sorted out with the laptop. Put a bit of coolant in it, and we'll be ready to go back to the customer soon. Here now, Audi A7. Got to do some brake pads all around. What we got here? We've got Ash's bag beamer sitting nice on the deep dishes. We've got Gtrs H pushing the pistons back. Look at that, push that shit back, bro. Fitting the new pads. Front brake pads done on the A7. Putting some different wheels on. These have rotors before. Putting on, what is this,
BC 3 splits.
BC Racing splits that are going on here now. I think there's a 20s.
3.5 grand.
About 3 grand's worth. 245 3020s. You used to be on Ash's Audi before. Looking fucking, the black and white combo's looking good, you know. S line. Just winding back the rear brake pads now for the change. Go this. So, the wheel ain't coming off, so Gtrs H just like doesn't know what the fuck man's doing in it. So man's gonna take over now. We got hit from the back. The man's gonna sort this out for him. Yeah. Mad thing. Hey yo, come back, G.
Man, like the Indian Ferdi, you know.
Hey,
Jeez.
Another BC Racing rear wheel going on. That's concave though. Still working out on the A7. Slight complication. The BC Racing wheels don't fit the back because the offset is too low, so they hit the caliper. So we got the wheel in the boot, or no, Audi rotor on the back.
Please wait.
Please wait.
V2 in that.
Oh, is this what, airlift V2?
Yeah, unsuccessful in that. You get me?
Suede dash. What's that? Pioneer AV.
AVX 700, I think.
AVX 700. Suede. Alright, just finished the Audi.
Shit,
Gtrs H.
Gtrs H out here.
We're at CCK meet. Yeah.
Just popped down to
About
see
to
what the
lock it
motive
down.
is.
My chief mechanic right here, bruv.
That's me.
CCK meet. Fucking packed.
Fully packed.
Gtrs H.
That's me. That's me. Gang, gang.
Street team. Go inside into the car a bit. GTR's back to back.
Dirty.
Where's the dirt? There. I actually need to fix this up, bro. This is a bit bad.
Huh?
So, M3 there as well. The usual faces of green. Bag E30. I'm not seeing anything, bro.
Shit.
It's my fucking
This guy's got a
camera.
boot build.
Customs by AJ, innit?
This is splits. This splits.
Shit. Give me my nigga gifts.
Is it open?
How do I edit a video?
Is this guy with stars on now? Oh, we got a big competition out here, bro.
I hear your phone then.
Little D's on
Customs
it.
by AJ, innit? Huh? It's
AJ.
customs. AJ done this.
Yeah. Shout out to AJ
Shout out
Customs.
AJ Customs. I can hear that in the vlog. So this is bag D46.
That's what I actually left.
Another look at lower classes M3s. E93 SD8. School 3.2 M3 Evo. Big fuck off spoiler. Mad guy on the back. Got Virage's bag Lexus. Obviously he's not in the country at the minute. Still representing. This low. Plate still for sale. Plate still for sale. New wheels coming soon.